Here's a good question. How long will it take 5,200 to grow to 25,000 at an interest rate of 3.9% if the interest is compounded? It looks like it's quarterly. Round the number of years to the nearest hundredth. Okay. So I guess what you could do is just take any one of those numbers and plug it in for t and see if one side is equal to the other side. So just see if this stuff here, when you multiply it all out, comes out to 25,000. Or you can solve it using logarithms. So the first thing I want to do with this question is I want to isolate this portion right there. So I'm going to divide both sides by 5,200. Okay, divide this side by 5,200. So I'm going to get 25,000 over 5,200 is equal to, and then I'll just write that stuff down. 1 plus 0.039 over 4 to the 4t. Now, maybe I'll just, I'm going to pause and figure out what that stuff in the middle is. Okay, so it comes out to 1.00975. I guess I could have figured out what's on the other side too. Just a sec. So 25,000 divided by 5,200. 4 point something. I might just keep that number in my calculator, not write it down. So I've got 25,000 over 5,200 is equal to 1.00975 to the 4t. Okay, to solve an equation that has an exponent in the variable, has a variable in the exponent, I can change it to log form. So it'll be log base 1.00975 of 25,000 over 5,200 is equal to 4t. And then I'll divide both sides by 4. So divide this side by 4, divide this side by 4, and this will give me my time. Okay, so let's do that on decimals here. Okay, come on. There we go. Okay, so log, and I want to use the log with the different base. Base 1.00975 of 25,000 divided by 5,200. Whoops, I forgot to divide in there somewhere. Whoops, doesn't look right. There we go, 5,200. Okay, and then take all that and divide it by 4. So the time comes out to 40.4579. And in the question they say round to the nearest hundredth. So that's this one. So I'd call it 40.46. That's what I'd call the time. Do they have that as an answer? Yeah, right there. All right, hopefully that helps you with that one. It's a different kind of question. We didn't solve lots of those. We solved more using that other formula, P0e to the kt. But you used the correct formula for this one because it was a compound interest question. So you had to use that formula. And this is how you would solve it.